The formal policy document comes a month after Trump surprised the Pentagon when he announced in a series of July 26 tweets that he would reverse the Obama-era policy change. The Pentagon pondered how to respond, and Secretary of Defense James Mattis said he was waiting to hear from the White House exactly how he should proceed. A White House official announced the signed directive on a call with reporters Friday evening. Under the new policy, the military will be indefinitely barred from accepting new transgender troops, and new trans-related medical treatments will be blocked. The memo that was signed today adopts a policy directing the Department of Defense and Department of Homeland Security to return to the long-standing policy and practice on military service by transgender individuals prior to June 2016, said the official, who briefed reporters on the condition of anonymity. The 2016 policy, issued by then-Secretary of Defense Ashton Carter, was to have allowed transgender people to serve openly starting earlier this year, though that timeline was later pushed to January 1, 2018, to allow for additional study of the issue. But now that study will no longer be needed. Pentagon officials will have 6 months until March 23, 2018 to develop an implementation plan for how to address transgender troops already serving openly, the White House official said. But the new policy potentially includes a path for those troops to continue to serve, as it includes exceptions allowing the Secretary of Defense to take whatever steps deemed necessary to promote military readiness and unit cohesion, and to deal with costs. Trump's July tweets caught transgender service members and senior military leaders off guard, and led commanders to issue guidance to their troops that intolerance would not be allowed. The new policy will prohibit medical treatments for trans-related health issues, also with a 6-month implementation period. It will include an exception for the health of those troops who have already begun treatments. Not all transgender individuals elect to undergo surgery as part of their transition. As a candidate, Trump had promised to take care of LGBT Americans, and his tweets and subsequent guidance have drawn condemnation from those he pledged to protect. The White House official said Trump will still take care to protect all Americans from discrimination.